Okay, so I tried filming and taking pictures outside, but the sun is just too bright right now. It's crazy because I was like hurrying myself to get ready to catch up the sun, but in fact I forgot that it's almost summer and that the sun is still very bright at 5. So I'm gonna wait until golden hour because that's my time at this moment to like take pictures, because I feel like the sun is like smoother and it's just like, you know, you have to avoid direct sunlight when you're taking pictures because it's disgusting. I thought, well, I have time to kill now but I have so many things to do, you guys. Oh, okay, so one thing at a time. First, I'm going to make myself a nice coffee. I already had coffee this morning at work and I promised myself to actually work on that coffee addiction and start like drinking tea and stuff. But seriously, like I have iced tea in the fridge, but I don't feel like just drinking that, you know what I mean? It's just like I need a nice cold dalgona coffee. That's what I need right now. So I'm gonna do that. Yeah. It's not an actual dalgona coffee, I feel like, but I already made one like maybe 2 days ago and I posted it on my story and it looked so good, but I'm just doing like a quick dalgona. So my desk so far, I'm still waiting for LEDs to come up here and more art prints, but that should be everything. I'm also going to put a little something here, like a vase with tulips, because I've been loving tulips lately. As you can see, as you can see, the LED, strip, the LED strip, I don't know. But anyways, I put it all up and then it didn't stay on. I don't know why I used double-faced tape, but it doesn't work. Yeah, I have no idea what I'm gonna do for now, but okay, I got myself some apples because I was feeling a little bit hungry. I only had a little bit of pasta for lunch and like a smoothie from the vending machine, so I'm a little bit hungry. These apples are so good. I just love like the crunch. It's perfect. Not too crunchy, not too soft, very sweet, and with a nice flavor, you know. Okay, so since I can't film outside yet because the sun is still blasting, I'm going to film some inside content. Like I have some reels to do, some like ASMR type things, you know. Yeah, so I'm gonna do that. I have my ring light because as you can see I'm not getting a lot of sunshine here, which sucks a little bit because later it's gonna, like, the sun is gonna fall this way, well, turn this way, and I'm gonna have like so much sunlight, but it's gonna be directed to my desk, so not really here where I would like to take pictures and stuff, but that's fine. That's what ring lights are for. So I'm going to set everything up and I'm gonna start filming. Yeah. Okay, so I'm done with filming and making content for the day. I'm actually so proud of myself because I got back to just coming back home and instantly like I just take advantage of the fact that I already wear makeup to just snap some pictures or film videos if I need to. And this time I just changed and made my hair and stuff, and it was really nice to just be able to make content, you know, even though I'm not really sure about what I just filmed because I just was all over the place. I didn't really plan what I was filming, but like I tried my best to pump as much content as I could because I know that I always need more footage, or like I always need more content because sometimes I just fall back into not having time to film. So it's always nice to have content or footage, like even random footage, you know, you can always make a reel out of it. Right now I just showered. I didn't take off my makeup though. I just took a quick shower to refresh myself. I saw all the mosquito bites on my legs. What a wonderful idea to just go out bare legs when it's so hot and like humid, and it's just perfect weather for the mosquitoes, you guys, especially in the garden. They are like so big. I have my coffee and I'm gonna edit my vlog that is coming up this week. I have a bit of art that I need to finish. It's not gonna be for like my art account or anything, it's just the branding because I'm changing the branding. I just came back from the dentist, so that's why this is happening. I didn't get any like injection or something, like it's just the dentist. Yeah, so you're going to have to deal with that for a little bit. I'm actually packing right now, and I realized that I don't have any like spring and summer clothes. I ordered 2 tops, and no, actually I did order 2 tops. One is like this cute little lacy cardigan, which is fine because I washed it myself, but the crochet kind of top that you guys probably saw in a picture on my Instagram, this one went to the washing machine and it just turned out like it came out just very small, so I can't wear that anymore, and I didn't really plan on wearing that over there. But I realized I don't have any clothes for like warmer days. So yeah, I'm trying to pack and I'm checking the temperature there to see if I kind of wish that it's gonna be a little bit cold so that I can just have like long sleeves. As you can see, these are my only, like this one and the pink one are the only tops, like short sleeves that I have. So, and I also have this, which I usually stay in, like it's kind of like a pajama for me, but sometimes I do cheat and wear it outside because it's very comfy. And then I have this short sleeve, but it's like very basic. I just saw the temperatures there and it's actually, I'm really lucky, it's like kind of raining apparently on Saturday and Sunday. Well, at least apparently it's gonna be like a little bit cloudy, even though on Saturday it's cloudy, but it's like 28 degrees, so
Non, mais non, 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 non. Calme-toi, calme-toi.
Je suis le pire.
It's not coffee. It's actually matcha. Like for real. I'm so scared I'm gonna spill it, but it's actually matcha, so I had only like 1 cup of coffee this morning, which I'm super proud of, because usually when I'm this tired, I go for more coffee and it's not like helping at all. So yeah, it's actually really good. It's this coconut milk matcha. I really like it. I have quite a lot of work today, so I just came back home from work. I have to pull the weeds from the garden. I have to empty the dishwasher and fold some clothes, and then I have a bunch of content I need to plan. Yeah, so that's what I'm going to do. I'm just going to tidy up my bag as usual, and like everything to be nice and tidy up. So